Welcome back. Today we're going to go over step 25 of the 28-point air conditioning tune-up and system rejuvenation. Step number 25 is to measure for the proper delta T, or temperature drop, or how much cooling we're actually getting into your home. So the way that works is we need to check the air temperature coming into the system versus the heat we're removing out of the system. If that's not right, that means that maybe we've got a refrigerant issue or a condenser issue, so on and so forth. So when we check all the condenser stuff and that's right, we come back in to check the inside, and that actually tells you what kind of performance you're going to get. So it's real important that while you're doing this tune-up, you're looking at what the outside unit's doing, plus the performance that you're getting on the inside, because sometimes we can tweak things just a little bit to get you better performance and lower the utility bill. But most important, keep you comfortable on those hot days. So please, get your tune-up done, follow it up with an awesome maintenance program, and continue to make this equipment run as best as it possibly can for its life expectancy. See you on the next video.